Today we talk about how can you recharge with USD on your Tonkeeper app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on battery here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just click here on recharge, which you stay here, and here can you select here. So then here can you charge in this list, then you click here on code. So just select any of this here, any of this charge here. So when you select it, you just click here like order here, and here add it. For example, you add it here and you click on continue. So then it's going to charge with you on your, and here can you add price. So for example like this, and you click here on continue. So I have no balance, but if you have it, can you charge it here? That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.